Imagine if your brain, not content with its current architecture, held the secret to spontaneously generate entirely new highways for thought, literally rebuilding its own circuitry on demand. This isn't science fiction, it's an innate biological marvel occurring within you right now, a hidden capacity for profound neurological renewal, just waiting for the right trigger. What if you could flip a switch, activating an internal master builder to fortify your mental landscape? Today, we're going to dive into the astonishing world of lion's mane mushroom and uncover precisely how its unique compounds nudge your brain into producing its very own nerve growth factors, essentially giving you the blueprint to enhance your mind's internal communication networks. You will walk away with a crystal clear understanding of the specific molecular keys this natural wonder possesses and how they unlock your brain's capacity for astounding self-repair and extraordinary mental clarity. Have you ever felt that frustrating mental fog, a subtle slowing of your thoughts, or the annoying struggle to recall a name that's right on the tip of your tongue? It's a common human experience, a sign that the intricate network of connections within your brain might benefit from a dedicated revitalization project. Your brain, for all its complexity, isn't a static machine. It's a living, breathing, constantly adapting garden of neurons, always seeking to optimize its pathways. But how does a humble fungus even begin to communicate with something as intricate as your neurological command center? The secret lies in a fascinating protein known as nerve growth factor, or NGF. Think of NGF as the master architect for your brain cells, a critical protein responsible for guiding the growth, maintenance, and even the survival of neurons. It's the invisible force that ensures your neural pathways remain robust, flexible, and ready for rapid information transfer. Without sufficient NGF, these delicate communication lines can become brittle, leading to the cognitive slowdowns we often experience. Early foundational research, such as that conducted by Kawagishi and colleagues in 1994, was absolutely pivotal, revealing that specific compounds isolated from the fruiting body of lion's mane, known as hericenones, had a demonstrable capacity to induce nerve growth factor synthesis in cultures of neuronal cells in vitro. This was a monumental discovery, hinting at a direct biological conversation between a mushroom and our most complex organ. It's like finding a natural key that fits perfectly into a profound biological lock. But the really exciting question remains: how do these remarkable compounds, once consumed, actually navigate the body's defenses and enter the brain to initiate this incredible neural construction project? Here's the stunning twist. While the hericenones in the fruiting body of lion's mane are potent, the mycelium, the root-like structure of the mushroom, contains another class of compounds called erinacines. These erinacines are the true biological superstars in this story, possessing a unique structural elegance that allows them to perform an extraordinary feat. They readily cross the formidable blood-brain barrier. This isn't merely passive diffusion, it's like having a special access pass to the brain's VIP section. Once inside the brain's sanctum, these erinacines don't just hang around, they immediately get to work. They don't supply NGF to your brain. Instead, they stimulate your brain's own cells to produce more of it. Imagine before, your brain's NGF production was idling, perhaps even slowly declining, leading to a gradual erosion of neural connections, like an old bridge slowly falling into disrepair. Then, with the consistent presence of erinacines, a molecular chain reaction ignites. These compounds activate specific intracellular signaling pathways, such as the MAPK pathway, within astrocytes and neurons themselves. This activation then directly upregulates the genes responsible for NGF production. So, it's not a temporary boost, it's a sustained internal recalibration. Suddenly, your brain is like a construction site buzzing with activity, not just patching up old roads, but laying down brand new, super-fast neural highways. This leads to a remarkable increase in neurogenesis, the birth of new neurons, and enhanced synaptic plasticity, which is the ability of your brain to form and strengthen connections between neurons. A landmark study by Mori and his team published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2008, specifically highlighted how erinacines from lion's mane mycelium were found to not only permeate the blood-brain barrier, but actively promote nerve growth factor synthesis within brain cells, leading to tangible improvements in cognitive function in animal models, reversing age-related cognitive decline. Just pause for a moment and consider that. This isn't just theory, this is your brain actively optimizing itself, building the very scaffolding of your thoughts, sharpening your memory, and making your focus more razor-sharp. Now, understanding this profound biological mechanism empowers you to use lion's mane strategically. Let's talk about 3 specific ways you can leverage this knowledge to truly unlock your mind's potential. First, focus on the formulation of your lion's mane supplement. For maximum benefit, you ideally want a dual extract that combines both the fruiting body and the mycelium. The fruiting body ensures you're getting those powerful hericenones, which act as initial signals, while the mycelium provides the crucial erinacines, the compounds that so elegantly cross the blood-brain barrier and directly stimulate your brain's internal NGF factories. This synergistic approach ensures you're getting a full spectrum of the mushroom's neurological support. Think of it like a coordinated effort where different compounds play distinct, vital roles. Secondly, let's consider dosage and timing for consistent neural support. For most individuals, a daily intake of between 500 and 1,000 milligrams of a high-quality dual extract containing a concentrated level of both hericenones and erinacines can be wonderfully effective. Taking it consistently, perhaps once a day with a meal, allows the compounds to maintain a steady presence within your system, giving your brain the continuous nudge it needs to keep those NGF pathways active. Think of it not as a quick fix, but as providing ongoing support for your brain's internal maintenance crew. Your brain thrives on consistent, gentle stimulation, not sporadic jolts. And thirdly, consider the power of synergy with other brain-supporting nutrients. While lion's mane is doing the magnificent work of stimulating NGF production, you can provide the raw materials for those new neurons and enhanced connections. Specifically, combining lion's mane with high-quality omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA, found in certain fish oils or algal oils, is a brilliant strategy. These fatty acids are the fundamental building blocks of neuronal membranes. So, while lion's mane acts as the architect, telling your brain to build more and better structures, omega-3s are supplying the premium construction materials. Imagine providing both the detailed blueprint and the finest, freshest timber for a new, robust brain infrastructure. You are no longer a passive observer of your cognitive journey, but an active participant in its extraordinary regeneration. With this knowledge, you now see your brain not as a fixed entity, but as a dynamic landscape capable of remarkable growth and renewal. That feeling of mental sharpness, the clarity of thought, the quick recall, these are not just fleeting moments, they are the tangible results of your brain actively enhancing its own biological framework. This isn't about avoiding decline, it's about actively building a more resilient, more vibrant, more powerful mind. You've just peeled back the curtain on how a simple mushroom can literally help your brain sculpt itself anew. The power of nature, decoded, reveals what is truly possible inside your body. And there are countless more astonishing natural processes waiting to be illuminated, each holding a similar potential to transform your understanding of your own incredible physiology.